Hi again, it's Charlie with Panel Armor Products coming to you again from our sheet metal reconditioning facility in Orlando, Florida. Today I want to talk to you about something every salvage yard uses. It's tape, packaging tape. Some yards use it by the carton every week, but it's something that we have taken a look at here at Panel Armor Products. We've done an independent test here and we want to show you the test that we've done. We've taken the 3 most popular tapes that are in the market today. First one we have is STA, then we have Vibac, Uline, and then our Panel Armor tape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show everyone here that our 1.8 Panel Armor tape competes as good or better with these higher priced STA, Vibac, and Uline tapes. What I'm going to do is just, as you see there's a line here, we've got about 12 inches worth of tape on here. They've all been sitting here for about 20 minutes, so they're good and pressed on, and the adhesion is good onto the cardboard. So what I'm going to do is just peel each one of these back, and we'll measure how far it peels back to determine the amount of the efficiency of the tape. First one, STA, comes way up. Second one, Vibac, way up. Third, Uline, way up. Last one, Panel Armor Products. As you can see, I pulled each one of these off with the same leverage, same exact force that a human can do. As you can see, our Panel Armor tape performed better than all the major tapes that are on the market today. Check out all our products on panelarmorproducts.com.